Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the minimal essentials so you can code right away. Open VS Code in your project folder and create package, JSON with npm init.y, then install Discord, JS and any type definitions you need. This gives you the Discord API client. Once done, set up a env to store your bot token securely and add git ignore to exclude it. Make sure to enable the code terminal and set the interpreter to Node.js so commands run without context switching. Now implement the core behavior, import Discord. JS, instantiate a client with required intents and add a ready event to confirm startup. Create command handling, register /commands during development or parse messages for prefix commands, modularize handlers into a commands folder to keep code tidy. Once handlers exist, read the token from process, env and call client. Login. Make sure to add basic error listeners and console logs so you can trace state to finish, run the bot locally using Node or Nodeman and invite it to a test server with the bot and applications. Command scopes. Once stable, deploy to a host like a VPS or container, setting environment variables there rather than committing secrets. Make sure process managers restart on crashes. If something goes wrong, inspect logs, verify intents and gateway options, confirm token validity, and check bot permissions in the guild. Often the fix is enabling an intent or correcting a missing OAuth scope.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.